even if you're working and both parents are working, two things. আমি বারবার বলছি যে quality time and quality attention, 10 seconds is enough. হ্যাঁ, when you are giving me a quality time and quality, আমার জন্য 10 সেকেন্ডের quality attention is good enough. You don't have to be for me there, number one. Number two, there are many ways to keep a tab. Call, how many times you call your children? Are you calling them in critical time? Do you understand your children's critical time, critical moments when he goes through the cycle of depressions? Or একটা বাচ্চা কিভাবে, are you calling him in the right moment? হ্যাঁ, আপনি যে সময় ফোন করছেন তখন হয়তো আপনার সাথে কথা বলতে ইচ্ছা করছেন, তখন আপনি বলবেন হয়তো ফোন করলে কথা বলতে চায় না, না, because you're calling him at the wrong time. And you don't understand his thing. So এখন অ্যাওয়ারনেসের ব্যাপারে যেটা বললেন যে awareness has to be in the community level. It goes back to this whole the African proverb that it takes a village to raise a child. So, and we don't have the village now, but there are ways that we can do that.